Oh, whatever. You can. Dang, these things are a little loud. That was right in the armpit. Ow. Tactical retreat. Oh. Okay, dang it. Yes.
Who's left? I was gonna hide under there.
Let's stay out from underneath tables and stuff.
Who's left?
We don't want to yank down any tablecloths.
Follow me.
I don't know if Mike's still alive. Oh.
The humans.
I don't know. Are there any left? No. Riley's brother?
Oh!
Wait, oh, she had a gun. Oh.
I respawned here. No one alive.
Okay, so Riley's brother. Were you like hiding the gun? Because I didn't notice it. I just saw you walking along. It's like, I don't see a gun. Okay, and then all of a sudden you shoot me. He's like, wait, oh. You were hiding it. What?
You look very threatening.
I usually do for some reason.
Yeah, like, you're gonna get arrested someday.
People always freak out whenever they see me for some reason. Even my boss at work does that. Why do people gotta get so freaked out about when I just come along out of nowhere? Don't tell me he's upstairs. I think I did tell him not upstairs.
Literally, first time me first infected.
Tyler, he's in the bathroom right there. Bathroom right in the corner. Yes. Behind the door.
Oh, there he is!
I was trying to get he was in the bathroom up there.
I know you saw me. That's when he's in there. I was like, picked up the gun. I was like, no.
Oh, you saw me pointing?
Yeah, so
Oh, I thought it was out of your line of sight. I didn't really.
I heard it in there. And that's why I picked up the gun. I was like, no.
He started shooting.
Where were you at?
I'm pretty.
Bye.